Purrgramming tutorial. What is a variable and beyond? It is like an allegory over computer memory. Once you start writing spaghetti code, preferably in JavaScript for Node, you'll find programming is actually easy peasy, so as long as you don't let it make you dizzy. Therein you will discover variables, often used in function calls. They can store strings of letters, which are as useful as winter sweaters. They can of course hold numbers, as useful as crispy cucumbers. They reference complex objects, often shared, so that computer memory isn't scared. One of the nicest objects is an array, which can keep related numbers at bay. The object is a fancy thing in itself. It stores things by name, like a bookshelf. But it can also be as simple as a cat, referencing itself with this or that. Give it a property of name, and you can start writing a little game. Name the cat Alice and say location equals palace. Make an object named room that can have a list of doors, and boom! You can now connect rooms with doors, and they don't even need actual floors. Oh yes, be it objects, numbers, or strings, variables simply help you glue things. Take a JavaScript tutorial or two, and programming will start calling out to you. Beyond variables, there isn't that much more. Functions, ifs, and loops get you all the way through the door. Functions are black boxes, as clever and useful as happy foxes. If statements simply ask about things and give the control flow wings. And loops only loop over lists. Programming is easy. There are no twists. You can write little programs right now. Just go and find the programming tutorial that will help you. Meow.